Welcome to qnawire.
Over here, we're going to have a bird. Let's try to draw it over here. That is going to drop a worm from its nest. And we know that the time that it takes to hit the ground is going to be equal to 1.50 seconds. So with this information, we want to know what is going to be the height of the nest. So with this, what we're going to get is that the equation of motion is going to be that the y at time equal to 0 is going to be equal to height, and y at time equal to 1.5 seconds is going to be equal to 0. We know that the acceleration is going to be equal to the acceleration due to gravity, which is going to be minus 9.81 meters per second squared. So the equation of motion is going to be equal to y as a function of time. In this case, we're going to take the final time is going to be equal to y0 plus initial velocity on y times t minus 1/2 of gt squared. Remember that this acceleration would be minus g. So the initial velocity on y, we're going to consider that it's going to be equal to 0 because the mom bird just dropped the worm towards the person out, so it didn't add any velocity. So the final time is going to have a value of y equal to 0, and y0 we said that was equal to h. So we're going to get h minus 1/2 of gravity times squared. In this case, the value for the height is going to be equal to 1/2 of gravity times the squared, which is going to be 1/2 of minus 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by 1.5 seconds squared. The value for height thus is going to be over here without the minus because we already took it out from solving, and the value for height is going to be equal to 11.04 meters. Now, if you take the value for gravity equal to 10 meters per second, which is going to be a common case in a lot of the courses, what we're going to get is that the height would be equal to 11.25 meters. So just take the value depending on what is the value of gravity that you're employing on your course. In most of the undergrad courses, you're going to take the full value for gravity. And if you're doing like high school physics or something like that, or intro physics, maybe you're giving the value for gravity equal to 10 meters per second squared.